Saya Resam here. Glad you could join me for another deep dive into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we explore features, performance, and hidden quirks you won't see in the spec sheet.
Today, we're taking a closer look at the Edifier M90, a powerful 100-watt desktop speaker system designed not just for computers, but also for TVs and home entertainment setups. With high-res audio support, HDMI EARC connectivity, and LDAC wireless streaming, the M90 feels less like a typical PC speaker and more like a compact, all-in-one audio upgrade for your workspace or living room. At around $190, it positions itself as a serious step up from the popular M60. Right from the packaging, the M90 gives a clean and professional first impression. The front of the box highlights the product image, along with key features like LDAC wireless audio, wired and wireless high-res certification, and HDMI audio support. On the side panel, the specifications are clearly presented in a simple layout. That's easy to understand. Opening the box reveals two accessory compartments, packed with everything you need to get started immediately. Inside, you'll find an analog signal cable connecting the speakers, a power cable, a USB-C to USB-C audio cable, with interference shielding, a 3.5mm audio cable, an optical cable, a remote control, two AAA batteries, and multiple user manuals. It's a generous bundle that ensures you won't need to purchase extra cables separately. Once everything is unpacked, the speakers themselves immediately stand out. The M90 features a clean rectangular design in a modern white finish that looks elegant on a desk or TV cabinet. The cabinet is built from MDF wood, which helps reduce unwanted vibrations and cabinet resonance. This contributes to clearer, more accurate sound reproduction whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming. In terms of size, the main speaker measures approximately 5.2 times 8.3 times 8.9 inches, making it compact enough for most desks, while still large enough to deliver serious sound performance. The entire system weighs about 13.3 pounds, which keeps it stable whether placed on a work desk, entertainment shelf, or mounted near a TV setup. Looking at the front of each speaker, you'll notice a dual driver configuration. Each unit includes a 4-inch mid-bass driver responsible for low and mid-low frequencies, paired with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter handling the highs. This setup allows the speakers to produce a balanced sound signature, with strong clarity across the frequency range. On the back panel, the speakers feature a bass reflex port design, which enhances low-frequency performance and creates deeper, fuller bass, compared to sealed cabinets of similar size. However, because of this rear port structure, the speakers perform best when placed slightly away from a wall to avoid unwanted bass reflections or boominess. The M90 system includes two speakers with different roles. One is the passive speaker receiving analog signal input from the main unit, while the primary speaker houses the internal digital processing hardware and all connectivity ports. And this is where the M90 really shines. Connection options include optical input, USB-C audio input, aux input, subwoofer output, HDMI EARC, and Bluetooth with LDAC support. This flexibility allows the speakers to connect easily to PCs, TVs, smartphones, and even external subwoofers if you want to expand your setup later. Using HDMI EARC with a TV is especially convenient because it allows volume control directly from your TV remote, making the M90 a realistic alternative to a compact soundbar. One minor detail worth noting is that the physical volume knob is located on the back of the main speaker. While that placement isn't the most convenient for frequent adjustments, the included 2.4 GHz wireless remote and the Edifier Connex mobile app makes controlling the system much easier from anywhere in the room. Now let's talk about the listening experience. With 100 watts RMS total output, the M90 easily fills a home office or small living room. without needing to push the volume too high. Right from the first track, instrument separation feels clean and well-defined. Vocals sit clearly in the mix without getting lost among background elements. Bass performance from the 4-inch mid-bass driver feels controlled rather than overpowering. It delivers enough depth and punch for genres like pop, EDM, and electronic music while maintaining clarity in the mid-range. Instead of sounding boomy, the bass stays tight and balanced, which makes long listening sessions more comfortable. The mid-range is one of the strongest aspects of the M90. Vocals sound natural and full, making these speakers excellent for acoustic music, podcasts, movies, and everyday content playback. Dialogue clarity during films also benefits from this tuning approach. Treble from the Silk Dome. Tweeter sounds smooth and detailed without becoming harsh. High-frequency elements like cymbals, guitar strings, and ambient movie effects remain clear but never fatiguing. This makes the speakers especially enjoyable for genres like jazz, ballads, soundtracks, and light pop. Another standout feature is the DSP signal processing combined with DRC technology, which keeps audio stable, even at higher volume levels. When pushing the speakers louder, they maintain clarity without distortion, making them suitable for both focused listening and entertainment sessions. Beyond sound quality, the M90's connectivity, versatility truly elevates the experience. Switching between PC, TV, and phone playback feels seamless. While the Connex app allows you to adjust EQ presets, select inputs, and even update firmware quickly. Overall, the Edifier M90 delivers a powerful combination of premium build quality, flexible connectivity, and balanced high-res audio performance. For anyone looking to upgrade from standard desktop speakers or even replace a small soundbar, this system offers impressive value in a compact and stylish package.